Welcome one and all. In today's video, we shall continue with the arithmetic progression exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. Those who are having textbooks, well and good, refer to the textbook. Otherwise, I shall write the questions on the board. Exercise 1.2. Also, I have given the pic of the notes. You can refer to the questions. The same pic has been put up in the video. You can refer to the notes, to the questions. The first question of exercise 1.2 is fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and AN the nth term of AP. They have given you a table wherein A, D, N and AN is given. In all the 5 questions, one or the other thing is missing. In the first question, A is 7. In the first question, A is 7, D is 3, N is 8, AN is question mark. So now, when A is given, D is given, N is given, you have to find out AN. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So, A is 7 plus N is 8 and D is 3. 7 plus 8 minus 1 into 3. 7 plus 7 into 3. 7 plus 21 is equal to 28. Therefore, AN is equal to 28. You have to fill in that gap there. In the given table, you have to write AN is equal to 28. The second question. A is given as minus 18, D is question mark, N is 10 and given AN is equal to 0. Come to the solution. The same formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So, it is minus 18 plus 10 minus 1. D is not given there. AN is given as 0. 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into D is 9D. Take minus 18 the other side, it becomes plus 18 is equal to 9D. Therefore, D is equal to 18 by 9, that is equal to 2. Therefore, you have D is equal to 2. The third question, you have been given D is equal to minus 3, A is question mark, D is minus 3, N is 18 and AN, the value of AN is minus 5. Value of AN is minus 5. You will use the same formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So, you will have A plus N is 18. 18 minus 1 into minus 3. The value of AN is minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1 is 17. 17 into minus 3. 17 into minus 3 will give you A minus 51. This is minus 5. So, you take minus 51 the other side, you will get plus 51 equal to A. Plus 51 minus 5. Plus 51 minus 5. One integer is having plus, one integer is having minus sign. So, put the greater number sign and subtract the numbers. So, you get therefore, A is equal to plus 46. A value is unknown, we get A is equal to plus 46. Coming to the fourth question, A is equal to minus 18.9, D is equal to 2.5, N is equal to question mark, AN is equal to 3.6. Same formula we use, AN is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. The value of en is 3.6 minus 18.9 plus n minus 1 into d is a 2.5. Take minus the other side, you will get plus 18.9 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. So this will be 22.5 equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. 22.5 divided by 2.5 is equal to n minus 1. 22.5 upon 2.5. So it will be 25 to 25 into 9 5s are 45, 225. So this is 1s, this is 9s. 9 is equal to n minus 1. If you take this minus 1 the other side, it will become, therefore n equal to 10. So you have the 4 questions put up on the board. The 5th one is solved for you in the notes. The next question, that is exercise 1.2, question number 2. Here they have told you, choose the correct choice. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. The 30th term of the AP term of the AP 10, 7, 4 is dash. They have given you options. It is 97, B1 is 77, C1 is minus 77 and D is 87. D is 87. Coming to the solution, the given AP is 10, 7, 4 and so on. So here A is equal to 10, D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus 10 equal to minus 3. Therefore D is minus 3. We have A equal to 10, D equal to minus 3. So to find 30th term, what do you do? A30 is equal to A plus 29D. You have A30 is equal to A plus 29D, or you can use N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. You can use, or you can use N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A30 is equal to A plus 30 minus 1 into D. A30 is equal to A plus 29D. The same thing you get back here. So we can write A30 is equal to A plus 29D. So you take A is 10 plus 29 into minus 3. You get 10 minus 87 plus 10 is minus 77. So your answer will be C minus 77. Your answer will be C minus 77. In the same way, coming to the second sum. The second sum, find the 11th term of AP. You have to find the 11th term of AP. You have to find the 11th term. The AP given is minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2 and so on. So here you have solution. A equal to minus 3 and D is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 3. You will get minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 1 minus 1 plus 6. It is plus 5 by 2. So your D is plus 5 by 2. A is minus 3. To find 11th term, use the formula A11 is equal to A plus 10D. So you will have minus 3 plus of 10 into 5 by 2. So you will have minus 3 plus 25, which will be plus 22. You have been given the options. The A option is 22, the A option is 28, B option is 22, C option is minus 38, D option is minus 48 1 by 2. So your answer will be B plus 22. These are the 4 options which are given. You have to choose the correct option and your option will be B plus 22. Question number 3 of exercise 1.2. You have to find the missing terms. The first one is 2 comma box comma 26. So here you see this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. A2 is missing. We have A and A3. So find out. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. 26 is equal to 2 plus 2 into D. 26 minus 2 equal to 2D. 24 divided by 2 is equal to D. Therefore, D is equal to 12. Hence, the missing term is missing term. Which is our missing term now? A2. A2 is equal to A plus D. So, it is 2 plus 12 is equal to 14. Therefore, A2 is equal to 14 is the missing term. A2 is equal to 14 is the missing term. In the same way, you have second question. It is box comma 13 comma box comma 13. So here A is not known, A2 is known, A3 is not known, A4 is known. So we have A2 and A4. A2 is equal to A plus D. 13 is equal to A plus D. This is your equation 1. Again, A4 is equal to A plus 3D. 3 is equal to A plus 3D. This is your question 2. Equation 2. Therefore, you have to solve now. Solve the equation. You get A plus D equal to 13. A plus 3D equal to 3. So, if you solve this equation, you get minus 2D is equal to 10. D is equal to 10 by minus 2. Therefore, D is equal to minus 5. Now, you have got a D. To find A, A plus D equal to 13, A minus 5 equal to 13, A equal to 13 plus 5, therefore A is equal to 18. See now your missing term, A is missing. Missing terms are 18, 13 is given to you, you have to find out A3. So A3 will be A plus 2D. So it is 18 plus 2 into minus 5. It is 18 minus 10 plus 8. It is 8. So the missing terms are 18 and 8. Exercise 1.2, question number 3, third sub question. The missing terms are 5. There are 2 boxes. A1 is given, A2, A3 both are not given. Then again A4 is given. So solution. Here A is equal to 5. A1, A2, A3, A4. A4 is equal to 9 1 by 2, that is 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19 by 2. It is 19 by 2. Now A4 is equal to A plus 3D. A is 19 by 2 equal to A is 5 plus 3D. Take 5 the other side, it becomes minus 5. So here you get 3D. 19 minus 10 is equal to 9 by 2. Then take 3 the other side, you will get D. 3 1s are, 3 3s are. Therefore, D is equal to 3 by 2. If D is equal to 3 by 2, we have to find out A2 and A3. A2 is equal to A plus D, 5 plus 3 by 2. So we take LCM here, 10 plus 3 is a 13 by 2, or you divide it and take a mixed fraction, it will be 6, 1 by 2. Again A3 is equal to A plus 2D, that is 5 plus 2 into 3 by 2, 2 gets cancelled here, 5 plus 3 you get 8. Therefore, missing terms are, the missing terms are 6, 1 by 2 and 8. Therefore, the missing terms are 6, 1 by 2 and 8. Coming to question number 3, the fourth sub question given is -4 and there are 4 boxes. A2 is not known, A3 is not known, A4 is not known, A5 is not known, A6 is known. So here A equal to -4, A6 is equal to 6. A6 means A plus 5D, A plus 5D is equal to 6. Then substitute the value of A, 5 into D is equal to 6, 5D is equal to 6 plus 4, 5D is equal to 10, therefore D is equal to 10 by 5 equal to 2. You have D is equal to 2. Here see, here A is equal to -4, D is equal to 2. When you have these two, you can find out A2, A3, A4 and A5. These are the missing terms. A2, A3, A4, A5 are the missing terms. A2 is equal to A plus D minus 4 plus 2 will give you -2. It is A plus 2D minus 4 plus 2 into 2. You get -4 plus 4. This is equal to 0. A plus 3D minus 4 plus 3 into 2. You get -4 plus 6. This is plus 2. A plus 4D minus 4 plus 4 into 2. You get -4 plus 8, that is plus 4. Therefore, the missing terms are 2, 0, plus 2 and plus 4. The missing terms are -2, 0. The first one is -2. A2 is -2. -2, 0, plus 2 and plus 4. So coming to question number 3, sub question 5, we have A1, we don't have A1, we have A2, A3 is not known, A4 is not known, A5 is not known, A6 is -22. A2 is equal to 38 and A6 is equal to -22. A plus D is 38, A plus 5D is -22, A plus D is 38, A plus 5D is -22. So we get -4D is equal to 60. Here 60 by -4 will give you -15. We have D is equal to -15. We have D is equal to -15. To find A, what we do? We are having A plus D is equal to 38. Substitute to the value of D. You will get A is equal to 38 plus 15, 53. So you got A is equal to 53, D is equal to -15. Then you find out the missing terms. Here we got 53. This is A2. You find out A3. You find out A4 and you find out A5. So A3 is A plus 2D, 53 plus 2 into -15, 53 minus 30 will give you 23. A plus 3D, 53 plus 3 into -15, 53 minus 45 will give you plus 8. A plus 4D, 53 plus 4 into -15, 53 minus 60 will give you -7. So the missing terms are 53, that is A. Missing terms are 53, 23, 8 and minus 7. The missing terms are therefore the missing terms are 53, 23, 8, minus 7. So there are 5 sums in main question 3. There are 5 sub questions. Coming to the fourth question of exercise 1.2, the fourth main question, which term of the AP, the given AP is 3, 8, 13, 18. Which term of the AP is 78? So solution, given AP equal to 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. Here, what are the things known? A equal to 3, D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 5, N is equal to 78, N equal to question mark. Because they have asked you which term of the AP, which term means the N you have to find out. The given nth term is 78. This is our AN. A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on till AN. So this is our AN. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We have AN value as 78. Substitute value of A, that is 3. Keep N minus 1 as it is. Substitute value of D, that is 5. So 73 minus 3 will give you N minus 1 into 5. There is a plus sign here, so you can only take 3 as minus. You cannot take this 5 because this 5 is with this N minus 1. It is N minus 1 into 5. So you cannot take this 5, you have to only take 3. It will be 75. Now you can take this multiplication as a division. It will be N minus 1. 15 equal to N minus 1. If you take the minus 1 this side, it will become, therefore, N is equal to 16. Hence, the 16th term of the given AP is 78. Hence, the 16th term of the given AP is 78. Coming to question number 5. In question number 5, there are 2 sums. The first sum, AP is 7, 13, 19 and so on till 205. Here they have asked you to find the number of terms. So substitute, we have A is equal to 7, D is equal to 13 minus 7, that is 6, N is equal to 2.205, N is equal to not known, N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, 205 is equal to 7 plus N minus 1 into 6. 205 minus 7. So divided by 6, you will get N minus 1. So this is 198. 205 minus 7 will give you 198 divided by 6 is equal to N minus 1. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. So 33 plus 1 is equal to N. Hence, N is equal to 34. So the 34th term of the given AP will be 205. In the second question, it is 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13 and so on till minus 47. So here you have A is equal to 18, D is equal to 15, 1 by 2 minus 18. So this is 31 by 2 minus 18 by 1. 31 minus 36 equal to minus 5 by 2. You have A is equal to 18 and D is equal to minus 5. When you have A is equal to 18, D is equal to minus 5. So here we have A is equal to 18, D is equal to minus 5 by 2, AN is equal to minus 47. Use the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Minus 47 is equal to 18 plus N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Minus 47 minus 18 equal to N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. So minus 47 minus 18 will give you minus 65. Minus 65 is equal to N minus 1. This minus 5 by 2 will become 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. So this is minus 13 into minus 2 will give you N minus 1. Plus 26 plus 1 will give you N. Therefore, N is equal to 27. Hence, number of terms are 27. So this is question number 5, second main answer. Coming to question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of AP. So here we have to check whether minus 150 is a term of AP, which they have given as 11, 8, 5 and 2. So they have given this. So here given AP is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. A is equal to 11, D is equal to 8 minus 11 minus 3. Then you have to find out whether minus 150 is a term. So let us take AN is equal to minus 150. Now AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D equal to minus 150. A is 11 plus N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 150. So it is N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 150 plus 11. If you take minus 150 plus 11 here, you will get 139. So N minus 1 will be minus 139 divided by minus 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 6s are 18. So it will be recurring decimal or it will be a fraction, 46 point. N is equal to 46.3 and so on plus 1. So N cannot be like this. N cannot be in decimals. Here, N is a natural number. So N cannot be equal to, N cannot be a decimal. Therefore, minus 105 is not a term of given AP. Therefore, minus 105 is not a term of given AP. N is equal to a natural number. N is equal to a natural number. It can be any number from 1 to infinity, but it cannot be a decimal or a fraction. Therefore, minus 105 is not a term of the given AP. Coming to question number 7, find the 31st term. Find 31st term of the AP whose 11th term is, they have given you 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. So what you have to do, A11 is equal to 38, A plus 10D equal to 38 and A16 equal to 73, A plus 15D equal to 73, A plus 15D. Solve these two. A plus 10D equal to 38, A plus 15d equal to 73. So we get minus 5d is equal to minus 73 plus 38 minus 35. So d is equal to minus 35 divided by minus 5. D is equal to 7. D is equal to plus 7. To find A, A plus 10d is equal to 38. A plus 10 into 7 equal to 38. A plus 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70. So you get minus 70 plus 38. You get minus 32. A is minus 32. Now you have to find 31st term. To find 31st term, what you do to find the 31st term? A31 is equal to A plus 30d. Your A is minus 32. 30 into your D is 7. So it is minus 32 plus 210. 210 minus 32. So it is 178. Therefore, the 31st term is 178. You have to write the last line. Therefore, the 31st term of the AP is 178.